Hello. We added few kids' voices and teenager voices to Kukarella, and I will show you how you can use them. They are multilingual, so you can use them to create voiceover in different languages. Let's select all of them. By the way, you can listen how they sound.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your text to voice.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your...
Okay, let's choose them and hit play. This will convert this text, which is written in 7 different languages, with these 5 kids' voices. And let's listen how it sounds.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. ¿Por qué los científicos no confían en los átomos? Porque lo componen todo.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. ¿Por qué los científicos no confían en los átomos? Porque lo componen todo. 为是要科学家不信任原子因为他们bien जाओ इच्छे वैज्ञानिक परमाणुओं पर भरोसा क्यों नहीं करते क्योंकि वे सब कुछ बना देते हैं Pourquoi les scientifiques ne font-ils pas confiance aux atomes? Parce qu'ils inventent tout.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? الأتوم parce qu'ils inventent tout. لماذا لا يثق العلماء في الذرات؟ لأنها تؤلف كل شيء. ¿Por qué os cientistas no confían nos átomos?
That was Arabic language, and now let's listen to this voice.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. ¿Por qué los científicos no confían en los átomos? Porque lo componen todo. 为是要科学家不信任原子因为他们bien não confiam nos átomos? Porque eles inventam tudo. Почему ученые не доверяют атомам? Потому что они все выдумывают.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. ¿Por qué los científicos no confían en los átomos?
So now you know how to choose child voices to create voiceover, and yeah, this means multilingual. So if you see this icon, you know it's multilingual. The same thing works with the other children voices. Those are teenager voices.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, hi, how are you?
And if you switch language,
convert your text to voice.
Sorry.
There are other options.
They will sound the same because they're multilingual and samples are recorded in English only. But if you add them to a list of voices, they will retext in all languages which is selected. I think they support 35 languages. Let's try this one.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. ¿Por qué los científicos no confían en los átomos? Porque lo componen todo.
Yeah, hope that helps. And now you have access to more voices, multilingual voices, and enjoy. Let us know if you need more voices, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks. Bye.